CBD.
Alright guys, so you've made it to the last video of this CBD 101 series. And once again, I'm Klaudia and this is
Matt, thank you for being here.
Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. And if you got a lot of knowledge from this series, feel free to send it to your friend or family so they also get to know about CBD.
And also let us know in the comment what you found really valuable. What is the new thing that you have learned in this series? We are really curious to connect.
So let's wrap it up. By now, you should know what is CBD. You should know about the endocannabinoid system. You should know how CBD works and what benefits you get from taking CBD.
Exactly, and you should actually know how to use it, especially CBD oil. You should also know how to find out your dosage, play a little bit with the numbers. Yes, the industry is making us work on our math or mathematics skills, so that's a little bit of refreshment.
Yeah.
But pretty much you know all that you have to know. And now you should be able to make a decision if CBD is something really needed for you at this point, if maybe you should wait, but why wait if you are thinking about taking it? So we are trying to make it easier for you, more affordable. We know that the prices for CBD are super high. So for the first time users, LiefRoyal is offering $20 off. It's a $20 coupon. And all you have to do to claim it is go to LiefRoyal.com and use the code FIRSTTIME at the checkout. And this code is going to give you $20 off for your initial purchase. All you have to do at this point is choose the flavor and wait until a few days until you get it shipped to your doors. So Klaudia and I are pretty good with post office right now. And everything's getting back to normal as well, so everything will work more efficient as well.
Yeah.
So let's wrap it up. Again, few things that are most important. Cannabis, cannabinoid, cannabidiol actually, what is the endocannabinoid system? Few words, so we leave them with really skilled, educated decisions.
Okay, so yeah, CBD, it's cannabidiol. We have the endocannabinoid system. You have the endocannabinoid system. It's like the network of receptors, and you have two receptors. You have CB1, CB2. They are all over your body. And your body also produces endocannabinoids. That is anandamide and 2-AG. Now, lack of sleep, lack of exercise, and lack of good eating habits
Can destroy it.
Yeah, they destroys your production of those endocannabinoids. And that's where CBD comes in really helpful because the cannabis plant also produces phytocannabinoids that helps your and mine and his endocannabinoid system.
Exactly, and actually I'll leave you, or I'll ask you right now. Exactly, and now the question that I would like you to ask yourself is, what is actually health? Is it just the absence of sickness or pain, or is it something more? We believe that health is a little bit more about it. Health is being in an optimized state where you feel well, where your body doesn't fight any inflammation, viruses and bacteria in form of having fever, muscle weakness, muscle aches, right? This is the optimized state. It's also called the homeostasis. And that is what CBD is trying to complement in your body. So if you have pain, inflammation, this receptor system, this network of the receptors is sending messages, just like you type messages on your phone. Hey, I'm in a hurry, I need to do something right now. It's exactly the same with your body. If there's inflammation, before it evolves into chronic pain, your body, those receptors are sending messages, hey, we have to do something. Houston, we have a problem. We have inflammation here. And CBD, all it does, CBD works at the level of the system, right? So it's not working at the level of the symptom. So don't think about CBD like a drug, like a painkiller. All right, I have a headache, I'm gonna take a pill for a headache. No. Think about CBD as something that wants to heal your body, so it prevents your body from having constant migraines and headaches. That is how you should think about it, and it's really a good addition to your daily hygiene. Let's say health hygiene. That's how we should call it. So, I believe you should give it a try, and it definitely will not bother your day. It will not hurt you because it has no side effects or no major side effects. The biggest side effects that I've heard right now is that you're actually going to sleep more or longer than you expected to sleep. That's the only pretty much side effect that I'm aware of right now.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt.
Doesn't really hurt. So exactly. So if you want to improve your sleep, optimize your sleep, and if you would like to improve, boost your immune system, and actually feel more relaxed and calm. And by the way, as you can see, this is kind of like a vicious cycle. All those things together. You have pain. What do you need to do to find recovery? You need to sleep. You have anxiety.
Yeah.
Anxiety and stress is the best recovery for it is sleep. But how can you sleep well when you have pain and when you have anxiety and stress? You're gonna have hard time falling asleep. You're gonna have hard time staying in the deep sleep. That is a vicious cycle. All CBD is, and all we have to, our job here is to give you some tools that you can make way out of this vicious cycle and you can leave it. That's all we want to achieve from here. And as you know from previous videos, my background or from videos on our channel is being sick constantly. I had pneumonia 3 times in my life. My immune system was super weak, and that's why I became health advocate and passionate about health, immune system, nervous system. Because I've been through depression, I've been through constant and chronic pain, and I've been through sickness and weak immune system. So I know how it feels, and that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to optimize my health. I'm trying to optimize my day, my sleep every single day. CBD happened to be a tool that works, and you should try it too. So thank you very much for your attention.
Yeah, that was the perfect conclusion of our video series about CBD.
Thank you.
And as we mentioned before, if you liked it, please leave a like, subscribe, and if you want to follow us on Instagram, our nickname, handle is at LiefRoyal. Our website, LiefRoyal.com. We have our profile on Twitter, LinkedIn. We have on Pinterest. What else?
You can find us pretty much everywhere. And we're getting better at TikTok as well, so you can find us there too. So we are omnipresent, and the reason why is why we invest so much time into it, because we know that there are some tools that can help you to achieve and create better days. CBD. Thank you, friend, and we will see you in the next videos.
Yeah. Bye.